Wow. That's beautiful. Hey, you doing okay?
Yeah.
Anything I can help with?
Checking. Yeah, my friend's going in to get some bandages.
Okay.
Thank you for
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, just trying to breathe.
Yeah, yeah. I have some bandages in my bag. Do you need some?
I think I'm okay. I think I'm just going to get napkins and just try to put some pressure on it. I don't think it's horrible.
Okay.
But thank you so much.
Okay. Let me know. I got some pressure stuff on my bag if she can't find anything. I'll be here for like a minute or two, so
Great. Okay, I'll watch.
just wave to me. See if you can use this. This will stop bleeding if you can't stop it.
Okay, that's actually perfect.
How fast were you going?
Not fast at all. It was stupid. It was super stupid. So do I just stick my finger in here?
Yeah. Here's some gauze.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Oh, I really appreciate it.
You need a bandage too?
Yeah.
Take it.
Sure?
Yeah, take it. That's why I carry it.
Ah, this is supposed to sting, right?
That stuff, yeah, that'll sting, but it'll stop the bleeding right away.
Okay, so I just keep it in here?
Yeah, just keep it in there, get it covered with those little granules for like 2-3 minutes, and then you can put some gauze around it, put the wrapping around it, and when you get home, use some warm water and just run it under warm water. It might hurt a little bit, but it's going to stop the bleeding right away. Well, glad you're okay. I'm glad you're wearing a helmet and everything.
No, it was just stupid. I was riding too close to the edge, and I have a really old school 1971 vintage bikes with no traction.
Yeah.
The rock just slid out from under.
That'll happen.
Just got it into the canal.
Yeah.
So that was the...
Yeah, I was just up the roads, and the traction isn't great when it's cold-ish out here.
Yeah, that was the...
It's not like you can get enough speed to warm up your tires either. All right, well, it looks like you guys are taken care of. Take it easy, okay? Stay safe. That's why I carry this. I'm telling you, always carry some kind of first aid in your bag, even if you think you're not going to need it. Most of the time, it'll be for someone else, like you just saw. She wasn't bleeding enough for me to use anything more significant that I have in there for like actual bleeds, like someone's bleeding out. But she was bleeding pretty freely from her thumb. She completely scraped like all the skin off of it. It wasn't stopping, so the gamers gave her like a packet of hemostat to just clot it a little bit. It's gonna hurt when she washes it though, but at least it won't be pouring down her as she's riding her bike. I'm gonna take my helmet off so I can hear you. Here's the only thing. You put your helmet on and you take it off like 10 times when you're not paying attention, because I gotta put earplugs in. Yeah, I have my phone right here.
Oh my god.
And it's actually like an intercom system, so if I have a passenger, I have a second one for a second helmet.
Yeah.
So you can talk to each other.
Do you listen to music?
Yeah. You listen to music, it's got FM, AM. I only do that when I'm like cruising or like practicing drills in a big parking lot.
Yeah.
I don't listen to music when I'm riding because I want to, I mean, technically it doesn't really matter, but I'm trying to be safer and be more aware.
Yeah.
Got my phone GPS mount secured, good to go.
Shit. The safety stuff is as cool as the bike.
I agree.
Alright, give me a smile. That's good, that's intense. Send that down.
Nice to see you.
Alright.
I'll see you soon.
Happy travels.
Thank you.
A couple weeks.
Wow.